So Bitcoin is crashing, everyone is panicking, and those are the moments where you have to just calm down, have a plan, analyze, and you actually can take advantage of the situation when you have a good plan. And this is why I'm coming for you with a video today. We're going to analyze BTC, we're going to analyze the crypto market, Bitcoin dominance, everything. So I'm really happy to make that video for you. So in my previous video, I was actually expecting Bitcoin to have a little bull trap before actually reaching that point. I told you guys we would reach this point in my video yesterday. I wasn't expecting really to happen in that fast, because I thought we would see at least one bull trap to 102k, maybe higher, and then going down and actually bouncing off that moving average. That's 100 daily moving average. But it looks like Bitcoin decided to crash earlier. But there's some good news. So calm down. Of course, this is not financial advice. As always, this is just my personal opinion on the market. Please do your own research. So Bitcoin is currently trading at 84k, and as we can see on the right side here, we have total 2, and total 3. Total 2, those are altcoins with Ethereum. Those are total 3 are altcoins excluding Ethereum. And it's really interesting thing because in the last 24 hours, BTC, the whole crypto market dropped -4%, over -4%, 4.3. But total 2, the market with Ethereum excluding BTC, dropped less, 1% less. And total 3, which are altcoins excluding Ethereum and Bitcoin, dropped only 2%, which means that altcoins are getting stronger. And we can see it on the Bitcoin's dominance chart. We are actually dropping. So does it give us a sign that the good time for altcoins is coming? In my previous video, I was telling you guys that after this week right here, we could actually see a little movement upward and then coming down. But also maybe those are 2 local tops right here, and we're just going to continue going down to this support and the other support here, which means altcoin season, right? Kind of looks like that, but we don't know how far BTC will go. In my opinion, that was the buying zone right here, around 83, maybe down to 78 here. The lowest we could get, in my opinion, is that 73k, and that would send altcoins maybe even lower. But like right now, altcoins are looking pretty good. I mean, when we take a look at CoinGecko, we see Bitcoin dropping 4% in the last 24 hours. And then we take a look at XRP, 1% less, 0.5% less, 3.5. BNB just 1.8. Solana 6. But we have USDC 0. It's a little joke. Dogecoin 3.2. Less than BTC. What's really interesting is Litecoin gained 10%. And you know what happens when Litecoin is actually going up. When altcoins, when Litecoin is pumping, it's usually the sign that the Altseason is coming. Is it really? Like, we'll see. I wouldn't be really counting on when the altcoin season is coming. I think the best strategy ever is to accumulate during fear. We had 25 yesterday when it comes to extreme fear. Now we are at 21. We're so freaking low. Let's take a look at the chart. We haven't been lower since August 2024. It was 26. Now we are at 21. That's crazy, actually. Yeah, we are going to the lowest points since literally 2 years ago, almost 2 years ago, which is crazy. And I've been telling you guys that like extreme fear is a perfect timing to do shopping. And when you really think about how whales make money, they make money on volatility, and the shakeups like this are like something that I need, you know what I mean? Because like there's not much, the capitalization of BTC is so high that there's not much of profit left to be done. Like from that point, literally going, because like let's take a look at BTC. How much is the capitalization of BTC? Market cap is 1.6 trillion. So literally from 100k, from going to that point to 160, it means that BTC will become over $3 trillion asset. So that means you need so much freaking capital from the street to pump it 100%. It's incredible, and whales know that, so they need to, because in my opinion the top of the bull market should be around here, maybe higher if we're lucky, but in my opinion it's like the safe take profit levels are here. So if we are, let's say, here in this accumulation zone, going to 140, it's like 41%, going to 160, it's 63%. But if we manage to drop it, we can actually, the whales can accumulate more, and going from this point to 140, like 72%, or to 160, almost 100%. So they can actually double if you purchase here on that zone. The lower you get, if we get to 73k, look, that means 63%, 86% to just 140, and like 113% going to 160, which is much more. And they understand that you make money, and I've been telling you guys on this channel for so long that you make money on this market by buying low. When you see red, that's when you make money. You don't make money on the way up, you make money on the way down. And like not many people have guts to like play this game the right way. Not many people in this market, a few percent. That's why only a few percent of people are successful. So why I think that right now is good purchasing time. Of course, not financial advice. There are a few reasons why we are on daily chart right now. And look at the RSI on daily. Look, we are oversold. We haven't been that low on a daily RSIs since a year ago, almost a year ago. So that's one thing. Like oversold daily chart is when you make purchases. Another thing is this daily 100 moving average. And we're probably going to bounce from that. So that's another support. Yeah. So another one I was going to mention was the fear and greed index, which is very low. It could get lower. Of course, it can always get lower. But like if you're doing DCA, it doesn't matter, because we can bounce from that. We can really bounce from that. We can get a little bit. What we can get now, a little dead cat bounce and go even lower and bounce from 73. I think 73 is pretty much the lowest we can get right now, unless we take a look at weekly chart. Just gonna remove that real quick. Yeah, there you go. You have a moving average right here. That's a 50 weekly moving average. And it's perfect. We have 73k here, so we have to bounce from that, because if we break down below, that will mean like a temporary not bull market, bear market, right? So yeah, for me 73k is like the lowest we can get, but we can also bounce from that. So that is my order box. Whatever drops a few K, I would just like order, and have a couple of like limit orders and just accumulate and have an average purchasing price like 75K or something. And then you're safe, because even from that, if we bounce to like imagine 100K, you have like a 35% trade. Like where else can you make so much money? You don't have to like even wait for the bull market, for the higher prices. You can just take a little profit. Like it depends how much you actually putting in. Another thing is altcoin Bitcoin season, and we are actually in a perfect setup, in my theory. Maybe not super perfect, because like we're not that low, because we've been forming higher lows for a while. We are low on a Bitcoin season right here, which means that Bitcoin is really dominant on the market right now. So when the Bitcoin is dominant on the market, which we can see on the dominance chart, because look how high we are right now. There's so much space over here to be filled, and it's gonna be filled at some point, like you will see, because people don't expect that, and that's what people will get. Yeah, so you buy altcoins, and plus you have extreme fear, and you have Bitcoin season. That means it could be a good idea to accumulate altcoins. However, there's so many altcoins on the market, and there's not enough capital flowing in, so it is risky. And I think in my personal opinion, it's more worthy to have a couple of like higher capitalization projects like XRP, BNB, or Solana, and trade them against BTC rather than waiting for some golden coins that will make you super rich, because you could find them or you could not. It's a lottery for me. It really depends how much you trading. Or if you trade with $1,000, obviously it's not gonna be like life-changing money. But if you're trading with hundreds of thousands, then it makes sense to like secure money and make a double on altcoins and Bitcoin. I would be really cautious when it comes to crypto market, because like what people don't understand is that we are really high on capitalization on the crypto market. It's multi-trillion-dollar market right now, and in order for the market to double, we need so much capital from the street, and there's people don't have that much money right now, and there are just whales just waiting to like rip you off from all your money. So, but it's not really coming right now. So I would be cautious with that, and I would just like really prioritize taking profits on the way up, whether it's like 20%, 40%, 50%, just like just take profits on the way up. All right. So I think we talk about everything that I want to talk about. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you like that video, hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them down below. You can go to my Telegram channel too for notifications, and if you want, you can become a member. I'll be doing like live streams, Q&As, some exclusive content for those who want to support my channel. So yeah, that's it for now. Again, drop your comments down below, and I'm gonna talk to you tomorrow or in 2 days. Either way, within 40 hours for sure. All right, thank you so much, and talk to you soon. Bye.